Lavender Base. The ETHOS Lavender Base is an improved lavender base formula with rosemary leaf extract that will restore weak, sensitive and damaged nails. The conditioning seed oils will help to soothe the sensitive nails, while the rosemary leaf extract will build them. During a manicure, one layer of lavender base may be applied before applying nail polish. Two coats of lavender base will help even more to restore and strengthen weak and damaged nails. Leaving a lovely soft pink shade. Lavender base may be applied as a treatment in the center of the nail before gel application, but it is a very popular treatment to use in conjunction with gel during a lavender base treatment for damaged nails. Lavender base treatment. When a nail bed is too damaged and sensitive to receive product that will need to be soaked at a later stage, we use lavender base instead of gel to support the nail, allowing it to recover. Apply a line of base gel to the free edge, like you would apply a French smile line, slightly higher than the hyponychium, in line with the stress area, and cure. Use soft gel or number 1 white to apply a second layer of gel in the same French smile line. And cure. Wipe with cleanser and apply vitamin dose to the nail. Apply lavender base to the entire nail. While lavender base nourish and soothe the damaged nail while it recovers, the free edge will be supported by gel. A second layer of lavender base will add to the healing process, and it will also fill and level the nail plate area with the free edge. Allow to dry and apply mirror top coat.